today we're going to be working on is getting some basic maintenance and some overdue items. We're going to start off with the VTECsolenoid, getting the gaskets replaced. Now we need to disconnect the oil pressure switch and the control switch.
Yeah, there you go. The gasket is leaking as well.
Next, we'll break the bolts loose and remove all the 3 bolts from the side.
There we go. Alright, there we go. And let's take a look at this.
Let's now remove the 3 bolts on the top to get access to the gasket.
Okay, look. Because you have flat in that gut.
Replace the top gasket.
Just a little bit of oil. He's back in. There you go. There we go.
Put back the VTECsolenoid together.
Get this little clip back here. Put this back. Clip this in. Get.
Let's now torque everything down to 8.7 foot-pound.
That's it.
Let's not forget to plug back our oil pressure switch.
Next, what we got there? We're gonna put one new wire stripping. Here's the part number. We got the old one. It just
plugs underneath.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We gotta remove all the old crap. Oh my God! There we go.
You got it.
I got it. All right. Grab part. Start from the end. The most satisfying and simplest installation of all day. Weather stripping. Ah, there we go.
Well done.
Beautiful. Look at that straight line now. All right, next, moving on to the spark plugs. I just realized I'm missing a bolt here. It's a 5 hex. Now, before we tackle that,
using the NGK Platinum Laser 772 spark plug.
Pre-check all the gaps, and then new before we start, and then there's nothing broken. So, let's see, these should be properly, if it comes from the factory, it should be properly gapped. And yeah, let's start with the first one. Yeah. Let's get that out. Only one at a time.
Now let's unplug the connector. Now do it carefully, as these connectors are fragile and they can easily break up due to the age.
There we go. There we go. So we got one out.
Now repeat the process for every cylinder by removing each spark plugs and replacing it with a brand new one.
The torque's back. I think it's about 25 Newton meters.
Now let's torque to spec. Now reinstall the ignition coils and torque to spec.
We'll get next is the pulleys. Place this Serpentine belt, as you can see, got lots of wear, and check the bearings to see if these 2 bearings need replacement or not. So let's just remember the orientation, and I'll put a screenshot to the orientation of the belt. First thing. As you see, has like this nice S pattern. The belt. And actually the belt, besides just wear and tear here, it looks pretty decent. So the belt was still decently good. We're gonna check for the bearings. Yeah, so this. Yeah. We're gonna be installing the bearings for the idle and tensioner pulleys, and here's the part number as recommended by S2KI forms. Idle pulley and the tensioner pulley. If you do want it from Honda, you need to replace the whole parts. They don't sell the kit. This is about $10 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Now we're gonna start with the idle pulley because it's the easiest, and this is just a normal to loosen. This one's a reverse thread, so I need to be careful. So we got right here, and we got a little right here. There's a sleeve. Don't forget that. Take it out. 19. It's a 19. Oh, we could probably just. Hold on, let's see here. Oh. We need to flip it. That's it. Out. And now we're under the reverse. New bearing.
Doesn't matter which way you put it in.
No, there's no way. This is a 30 mil, and just gently
tap it in. Just tap it in now.
And that's it.
The other side flush. No gap.
No gap. Let's put this. So we had here, that, and then we got, there's a little gap here. We're gonna put that through this side. All right, no, goes the other side. And this is just straight. And then we'll talk this to spec at the very end. Now that's how it should sound. Nothing. Oh, okay. So this one is a reverse fret. So this one's nice and easy because it's standard. Okay. This is a reverse fret, meaning we gotta go. Okay. They say we need to be careful about. Yeah, it's the reverse frets will catch you, and that's why I want to do this one. The second. Awesome. Now let's take this. Take a look at it. So bearings right here. We're gonna flip it, and we're gonna take a look and make sure we get something to cover here. Let's clean it first. We found the support, and we're gonna whack it out.
There you go.
There we go. Just to get it. All right. So this one we said 3, and again. That looks pretty good. Yeah, this is backwards. My God, it's so quiet now. I'm gonna start here. Okay, and this one's reversed, so we gotta go. Perfect. Now you cannot hear it. All right, now let's put that on the mount here, and we're gonna put it back, new belt on. I'm using the Continental on the bottom. And it goes like this. Okay, now you just need to, you got it? 2 hands.
It's a lot easier.
There we go. 2 minutes.
Let me know in the comments what modifications you would like to see next done to the S2000. Don't forget to like and subscribe.